Sam, kailan mo ba kami itutulad dito?
Let's talk about it some other time, okay?
Mom,
What?
wag mag-ambitious. We're not welcomed here. And will never be.
Sophia, this is not the right time to talk about it.
That's what you always say.
This is not the right time to talk about it.
When will it ever be the right time?
Ate,
So,
sino yung pretty na above doon?
very soon.
Yung chicks?
Si Sofia, half-sister ng Kuya Basil mo. Ngayon mo lang ba siya nakita? Schoolmates kayo niyan. Doon siya nag-aaral kung saan ka nag-transfer.
Dito tayo sa wake ng aking
Mom, just
Pamangkin.
let it go.
So when will it be the right time?
soon. Okay?
Leave. You're not family.
Oh, but we are. Or at least my daughter is. You see, even if I'm just your father's mistress, my daughter, Sophia, is Galvan's daughter too. So she's family. And that makes her your sister. O sige, half-sister, but sister nonetheless. Kadugo mo, pamilya, at wala ka nang magagawa doon, hindi mo na yun mababago. And kaya kami nandito dahil si Sofia at si Paco ay magpinsan and gusto namin
I'll
magkaramay.
say it once again. Leave. Pwede mo yung mga basura mo sa labas. Huwag mong pinapasok dito.
Vivian, I told you not
Sabi na
to.
sa'yo, Mommy. We're not welcomed here. Basura raw tayo.
Sophia,
Nagwahing kanal.
How dare you? You deserve that.
Vivian.
CR lang ako.
Sige, okay.
Sorry. Ako si Edward. Ward for short. You are?
It's none of your business.
Nice name. Pero ang haba. Hoy, teka lang. None of your business! Magkikita rin ulit tayo. Sophia.
Louie? Anong ginagawa mo dito?
Nothing. Napadaan lang.
Wag, Sam.
Papaalam lang ko, aalis
Wag sabi!